Hello students, now I am going to start question number 1 of exercise 4.2. Now question number 1 says, give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Here we will have to see that which step we are using to separate the variable. Now which is variable in this equation? X is the variable, so what we have to do? We will have to separate the variable and then we will have to solve the equation. And this is the constant here, so what we have to do, we will have to separate the constant to find the value of the variable. Okay, so at first see here we have -1 with the variable, so what we have to do, we will have to remove this. Now here we have -1. Now if we add 1 to this, then minus plus minus, so 1 minus 1 is 0. That means this constant will become 0. If you add 1, then this constant will become 0 and we will get the value of the variable which is x here. Now if you have to take 1 on the left hand side, then we will have to add 1 on the right hand side also. Okay, and we will have to write the step also. So what we are using here, we are adding 1 to both the sides, so we'll write adding 1 on both sides. So if you add 1 on both sides, see x minus 1 was there, and if you add 1, then it will become like this, and this 1 should be added on the left hand side and right hand side both. So here it is. Now -1 plus 1 will be 0, right? So it will be x then, and 0 plus 1 is 1. So the value of the variable which is x here is 1. Now in the next part we have x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now again we will have to separate the variable from the constant. Here this is there, so how to remove it? Here plus 1 is given. If you take -1, then plus minus minus, so 1 minus 1 is 0. So that means if you take -1, then this constant will become 0. Okay, so here we will take, so what we have taken here, -1 we have taken, and if you subtract 1 on the left hand side, then same thing we will have to do on the right hand side. So what we are writing here, subtracting 1 from both sides. So if you subtract 1 from both sides, what will you get? X plus 1 was there, and if you subtract 1, then it will become -1, x plus 1 minus 1, and this -1 to be subtracted on the right hand side also, so it will be 0 minus 1. Now plus 1 minus 1 will become 0, right? So here we have x plus 0 means x only, so we'll write x is equals to 0 minus 1 means -1. So the value of the variable which is x here will be -1. Now in the next part we have x minus 1 is equals to 5. So again, if we will have to remove the constant from the variable x here. So here we have -1, and if you take plus 1, then it will become 0, because 1 plus minus minus and 1 minus 1 is 0, right? And if you take 1 on the left hand side, then on the right hand side also we will have to add 1. So we'll write adding 1 on both sides. So here if you add 1 on both sides, then what will be? X minus 1 was there, if you add 1, then it will be plus 1, and this plus 1 to be added on the right hand side also. Right hand side we have 5, so plus 1 will to be added to 5, so it will become 5 plus 1. Now 1 minus 1 is 0, so here we have x only, because x plus 0 is x, is equals to 5 plus 1 is 6. So the value of the variable which is x here is 6. Now in the next part we have x plus 6 is equals to 2. Now we will have to remove plus 6 here. Now what should we take to remove this? you have plus 6, and if you take minus 6 here, then plus minus minus, so 6 minus 6 is 0. That means if you take minus 6 on both the side, then this part will become 0. We can remove this constant by taking minus 6 here. So we'll write subtracting 6 from both sides. Both sides. So on the left hand side we have x plus 6 and subtracting 6, so minus 6, and on the right side we have 2. So as we know that if you subtract also we will have to do on both the side. So if you subtract 6 from the left, then we will have to subtract 6 from the right also. Now 6 minus 6 will become 0, so here it will be x, because we will have to find the variable here, and x equals to 2 minus 6. Now plus minus minus, so 6 minus 2 is 4, and here sign of the 6 is greater, so here it will be minus 4. So the value of the variable which is x here will be minus 4. Now in the next part we have y minus 4 is equals to minus 7. So we will have to remove this constant from the variable y here. So minus 4 is there. So what should we take to remove this constant? We will have to take the opposite sign but the same number. So here minus 4 was there. If you take plus 4, then plus minus minus, so 4 minus 4 is 0. So that means what we have to take, we will have to take 4 on both the side. So we'll write adding 4 on both sides. So if you add 4, then it will become y minus 4 was there, so y minus 4 plus 4, and on the right hand side we have minus 7, so plus 4 to be added to minus 7. Okay, now this part will become 0 because 4 minus 4 is 0, so it will be y. Okay, actually in all the cases what we have to do, since we will have to find the value of the variable, we will have to make it alone, okay, on the left hand side. So y is alone here because this part has become 0. Now here we will have to solve this only to get the answer of y, okay, to get the value of the variable y. So here plus minus minus, so 7 minus 4 is 3, but the sign of 7 is greater here, so it will be minus 3. So the value of the variable which is y here, it's minus 3. Now in the if part we have y minus 4 is equals to 4. So here again we will have to remove this. So here if you have minus 4, then what should we take to get 0? We will have to take plus 4 because plus minus minus, so 4 minus 4 is 0, right? So if you take 4 on the left hand side, then we will have to take 4 on the right hand side also. So we'll write adding 4 on both sides. Okay, so y minus 4 was there, so we'll add 4 on both the sides, so it will be y minus 4 plus 4, and on the right we have 4, and if you take plus 4 on both the side, then it will also be added by 4. Okay, so here this part will be 0 because 4 minus 4 is 0, so it will be y only, and 4 plus 4 is 8, so the value of the variable which is y here is 8. Now in the next part we have y plus 4 is equals to 4. Now here we have to remove this plus 4. Now here we have plus 4, so we will have to take the opposite sign here but the same digit. So here 4 is there, so we will have to take minus 4 to get 0 because 4 minus 4 plus minus minus, so 4 minus 4 is 0. So that means we will have to minus 4 from both the sides. So we'll write subtracting 4 from both sides. So y plus 4 minus 4, and on the right hand side we have 4 already, and if you subtract minus 4 then it will be 4 minus 4. Now this part will be 0 because 4 minus 4 is 0, so it will be y only. And here also we have 4 minus 4, so the value of the variable is, which is y here, will be 0, right, because 4 minus 4 is 0. Now coming to last part. Now in the last part we have y plus 4 is equals to minus 4. So we will have to remove 4 from here, from the variable y. So plus 4 is there, so we will have to take minus 4, right, because plus minus minus, so 4 minus 4 is 0. So we will have to subtract 4 from both the sides. So subtracting 4 from both sides. So what we will get now, y plus 4 was there. If you subtract 4, then it will be minus 4, and on the right hand side we have minus 4 already, right? So we will have to take minus 4. Here we have taken minus 4. The same thing we will have to, same number we will have to take on the another side also. Now this part will be 0 because 4 minus 4 is 0. So it will be y only, because y plus 0 is y, is equals to, now minus 4 minus 4. Now minus minus plus, so 4 plus 4 is 8. But the sign will be negative. Why? Because both the digits are having negative sign. So it will be minus 8. So the value of y is minus 8. Okay. So this was all about question number 1. Thank you, students.